In this video, we will learn how to install the current NetBeans version on Windows 10. For that, we need Java. So first we will install the current Java version, and after that we will install NetBeans. Let us start and install the current Java version. Go to the web browser. On Google, type Oracle Java and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website oracle.com. Click the download Java button. Here is the Java download section. Go below. And the current version is visible. Here it is. I want for Windows, so I'll click here. Here different files are visible for Windows. I'll go for the x64 installer, that is 183 MB, and click here. Now the download will start. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The Java setup started. Click next. Here the path is visible where Java will get installed. Keep it as it is and click next. Now Java will get installed. Let's wait. We have installed Java. Here it's written. Click close. Now let us set the path. Go to the location where we installed Java. It was in C drive, program files. Okay, and here it is Java. Double click JDK and double click bin. Copy this path, right click copy, minimize, go to start, type environment variables. Here click edit the system environment variables, that is the following. Click open. Let us set the path now. Go to advanced, click environment variables. Here under system variables, double click path. Click new and paste the same path. Right click paste. So we have pasted the path. Click OK. Now let us also set Java underscore home path. For that, under system variables, click new. Under variable name, mention Java underscore home. Okay, under variable value, paste the same path. Here it is. But here you need to remove bin. So let us remove it and click OK. Click OK again. And here click OK. That's it. We have installed Java. Let us verify. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Type the command java -- version and press enter. Here it is. We successfully installed Java. Okay, the current version is visible. Guys, we successfully installed the current Java version. Now let us download NetBeans and install it. Go to Google, type NetBeans and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here it is, Apache NetBeans 29. Click the download button. Here different versions of NetBeans is visible. Click on the following zip file. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the zip file. Right click and click show in folder. Here is the zip file. Right click and click extract. We have extracted the zip file. Open it. Click NetBeans. Here go to bin. And here is your installer file. Double click to install. Minimize. We have installed NetBeans. Go to file, click new project. Under Java with Maven, select Java application and click next. Add your project name. Let's say I'll add Amit Java application, and below you can see the project location. Okay. Here you can add the package name also. A package can include multiple Java classes. So let's say I'll mention com.studiopedia. Click finish. Now our project as well as a new Java file will get created. Here it is. So remember, we have set the following package. This is our class name. Always remember the class name should be equivalent to the file name, as there will be an error. This println will allow us to print the following text. I can also change this text. Let's say my text name is now Amit Diwan. The following is the project explorer that includes all your files. So your com.studiomedia package is having Amit Java application.java file. So the output will be the following: Amit Diwan. Go to file, click save all. Click here to run. So the output is Amit Diwan. Here it is. We successfully printed Amit Diwan. For a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video.